If you love creamy, comforting chicken, you need to try this. This is my easy marinade tender chicken in a rich, creamy sauce packed with flavor. It's incredibly easy to make, protein-packed and so delicious. You might just understand why they call it marinade chicken. Let's get cooking. I often buy my chicken tied with the skin and bones still on. Why? Because they are usually cheaper. Once you remove the skin and bone themselves, you get a good amount of usable chicken for your money. Yes, it takes a few extra minutes, but I actually think it's worth it, especially if you're buying chicken regularly. And here's an important tip. Sharpen your knife before you start. A sharp knife makes removing the bone so much easier. Once you've done this a couple of times, you'll be surprised how quickly and easy it becomes. You might find that doing a little work yourself saves you money. I have dried my chicken now, and these are the extras. Don't throw them away. Adding your spices, I'm using onion and garlic here and a bit of salt. And I'm going to fry this in just about 7.5. I think I'm using 7.5 or avocado oil. In chicken thighs, it does have its own oil, so I'm not using a lot of oil to pan fry these ones. I will be pan frying them for about maybe 6 minutes. Once they're done, you fry the rest, put them aside, and fry the rest once they're done. Now you can use it as it is, but I am going to chop mine into bite sizes. I just enjoy eating it bite sizes. For this recipe, I'll be using some chopped onions, sun-dried tomatoes, some mustard, chicken broth, a bit of garlic, you can use fresh garlic, some cream cheese, as well as some pepper, which is optional. The next few steps are easy. So fry up your onion, saute your onion rather, add in some garlic. You can use fresh garlic. Then you add in your tomato, sun-dried tomato, with a good mix. You eat that for a few minutes. Add in your broth. I'm using chicken broth. Add that in. Allow it to simmer up for a few minutes. Adding in my chili pepper and spicing it up. As you can see, using a spice of your choice, and add some salt to taste too. I'm using the soft cream cheese here. You could use double cream, but I'm using the cream cheese, which is what I prefer. Give it a good mix once you add it in. You've got that nice, lovely, creamy sauce already. And then you add in some mustard just to enhance the flavor. And of course, you need to add in some cheese again. And it just gives it that richness, which I love about this sauce. And that's it. This recipe is pretty straightforward. All done. You can serve this with either rice, potato, or any form of carb of your choice. Thank you so much for watching.